got swings on the water. Come on. Come on. It's all shallow. Oh my God, straight barrels. Cody and Raleigh would love this place. Wow. Yeah. Barrels, dude. So I'm not sure if we go down this way, like where it ends. Looks pretty sweet looking. So this is the turtle conservation place in Sanur. Oh, you see that fish down there? They're all macking on the fish. Yeah, these are bigger ones right here, huh? Those pretty colors. Buddy. Hi. It's like they come to you because they know people are feeding them.
intelligence.